In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to create new tasks in Notion using WhatsApp. This is a powerful automation that lets you send a simple WhatsApp message and instantly turn it into a task inside your Notion database. It's perfect if you're on the go, managing projects remotely, or you just want a faster way to capture tasks without opening Notion every time. We'll be using WhatsApp Business Cloud, Make.com, and Notion integrations to connect everything together step by step. If you find this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more productivity and automation tutorials like this. All right, let's jump right in. First, go to your Notion dashboard. This is where your task database lives, or where you'll create one if you haven't already. Make sure you have a database ready with fields like task name, description, status, or due date, because we'll be connecting this database later. Once that's ready, open a new browser tab and go to developers.facebook.com. This is where we'll set up WhatsApp Business Cloud so WhatsApp can talk to other apps securely. If you don't already have an account, go ahead and create one, then log in. After logging in, accept any permission prompts that appear. These are required for API access. Once you're inside the Meta Developer dashboard, look for the API Setup section in the left menu. Meta will automatically provide you with a test phone number and a temporary access token. These are very important, so keep this tab open because we'll need these values shortly. Next, open another tab and go to Make.com. This is the automation platform that will connect WhatsApp to Notion. From your Make dashboard, create a new scenario and choose WhatsApp Business Cloud as the first module. When prompted, select Watch Events. This tells Make to listen for incoming WhatsApp messages. Then click on Create a Webhook, and after that, create a connection. In the connection pop-up, paste the phone number ID and the access token you copied earlier from the Meta dashboard. Once connected, save it. Now that WhatsApp is connected, it's time to link Notion. In the same Make scenario, add another module and choose Notion. Select Create a Database Item, which will allow Make to add new tasks automatically. If this is your first time connecting Notion, you'll need to create an integration. Head over to Notion Integrations, create a new internal integration, and copy the integration token. Also make sure your task database is shared with this integration. Go back to Make, paste the integration token, and save the connection. After that, select your task database. You'll now see all the fields from your Notion database appear in Make. This is where the magic happens. Map the WhatsApp message variables into the correct Notion fields. For example, you can map the message text to the task title, or split it into descriptions and other properties if you want more advanced setups. Fill in all the required fields carefully, so tasks are created correctly every time a message is sent. Once everything is mapped, save the scenario and turn it on. Now, send a test message to your WhatsApp test number. If everything is set up correctly, you'll see a brand new task appear instantly in your Notion database. And just like that, you've learned how to create new tasks in Notion using WhatsApp. This workflow can save you a ton of time and makes task capture incredibly easy. If this video helped you, don't forget to like it, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss future tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.